Here is Kaya
Kaya.
eating all of her greens. She's very good at eating her green beans, her organic green beans.
Yeah, so can I take it?
And her peas.
Yes.
But look how excited she gets. Watch. Keep it on her. Watch this. Check this out. Watch. Do you want any of this? Oh, no? Okay. You better open up.
Say
Keep it on her. Keep it on her. Wait, hold on.
Say Sophie. She's just saying cheese.
She wants more. Look.
Give her.
She wants more.
Give her. Can I take a picture now?
Hold on. Here you are. Okay.
Can I now?
Okay, one more bite. Put it on her face so you can see her face. There you go. Show them how you eat your greens. Look. Kaya, you want this or no?
I'm looking at your hand, Mom.
Keep it on her. Do you want this?
Let me do it.
There we go. Yay!
Now can I take a picture?